How to use butyl rubber tape in large area construction. Step 1. Clean the base surface and keep it clean and dry. Step 2. Tear off the plastic separator at the bottom and lay it out. Step 3. Press evenly to make it fully adhere to the ground. Butyl rubber tape corner treatment solutions. Step 1. Clean the corners, walls and floors. Step 2. Cut the appropriate length and width according to the size of the leak. Step 3. Tear off the plastic isolation film at the bottom and stick it along the corner of the wall. Butyl rubber tape crack treatment solutions. Step 1. Clean the dust on the ground and keep it clean and dry. Step 2. Cut appropriate size of butyl tape according to the ground gap. Step 3. Tear off the isolation film and stick it to the gap.